Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a Maven project in IntelliJ. First, open IntelliJ, then click New Project, select Java on the side, give this a name. I just name this Project 1. Then at the build system, select Maven. Here you can select the JDK version. I have JDK 22. In the advanced settings, you can give this a group ID, which is kind of like your package name. And then an artifact ID, which typically matches the project name. Then click Create. Now, once a project has been created, the project structure shows on the left, and here you have the main class with the main function. First, let's go over the project structure. So I named this Project 1. This is the main folder of the project. It shows where it's stored in my home directory under Idea Projects and then the project name. There's a source folder that contains all the source files and packages and so on. And there is a pom.xml file. The pom.xml file is the main Maven file. So it defines the group ID, the artifact ID, which essentially is the project name. And it has a version always starting with 1.0 snapshot and then some properties. So later, if you get more advanced in Maven, you can extend the properties, you can add a dependency sections for other libraries that you want to pull in. But this is a very basic pom.xml file. Now, under the source folder, there's a main folder and a test folder. The test folder contains any unit tests you want to add to the project. The main folder has all the Java classes and Java packages that you define. So it's main, Java, and then here is a package name. So this matches the group ID that I set up initially. And then a main class with the main file. This simply prints out hello and welcome and then does a loop. Now, in order to compile this project, open the terminal here on the side. So once the terminal is open, type in Maven mvn clean compile and hit enter. This will take the pom.xml file and then compile everything. So this was successful. If it was not successful, it will show you the error message here why it failed. There's also the Maven tab or button on the side. This brings up this Maven panel. Here you can reload the project and pull in the sources and documentation. So if you have dependencies, you can pull down the source code of the dependencies and the documentation. So if you debug this, you can inspect any of these dependencies as well. Once this is done, let's run the main. So right click on it, click Run Main. And then you can see I ran it. It opened the console here and it outputted hello and welcome, and then from I1 to I5, which is the loop after the output here. I hope this gives you an idea how to create a Maven project. Thank you for watching.